What's up, guys? This is me Sudarshan, and you're watching my channel SJRTD. So, today I'm going to tell you how to set up a custom ringtone on your iPhone. Well, so the feature which I'm going to tell you is will be for above iOS 12 and the above operating systems 13, 14, and 15. So, the people who are below or maybe using iOS 12, they can comment in the comment section so that I can make another video for iOS 12 users. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to download a ringtone, right? So what you can do is go on to Safari browser. You can use any kind of a browser, as the files can be downloaded on iOS after maybe iOS 13 or 14 or so. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just search for a random ringtone website, right? Free ringtones, something like that, and I'll click on this. Well, Sage is a good website to download ringtones and all the wallpaper and all that stuff. Okay, I've clicked on it. Let's see. I think there's an internet issue. Okay, so now wait, I'll search for iPhone ringtones. Okay, yep. So as you can see, this is a ringtone. So I'll continue on the browser and download it. Okay, I need to wait for 10 seconds. All right. So what will happen here is the file will be downloaded in our mobile in the iOS, obviously. Yeah, as you can see, this is the file that is downloaded. That's right. So now what you can do is the next step is that the file is downloaded in the files folder. As you can see on the top left corner, that file will be downloaded in this files. Now what you want is you need an app to export that file to ringtones in the settings of iPhone. So which app you need is the GarageBand. Okay, so that is the only prerequisite which you will need, the GarageBand app. Okay, now you need to open the GarageBand app. Okay, wait, before that I need to show you that the file is downloaded. As you can see that this file is downloaded here. Okay, all right, so we need to open the GarageBand app. For the people who are opening this app for the first time, they might see this kind of a UI. So you need to select audio recorder, then you need to click on the third icon from the left side, upper left side, right, on the third icon. Okay, now this will be the menu which you will be getting. Next you need to select the second icon from the right side, this loop wala icon, and then you can select the ringtones. Then you can select the files, you can browse it, and as you can see I have selected that file. You need to wait for some few seconds so that the file can be displayed here. Yeah, as you can see now the ringtone, I can see the ringtone in this file. Now I need to long press it and just bring it here. Okay, as you can see, yep, as you can see, this is the ringtone has been added in this list. And then you need to click on the arrow on the left upper corner, and then you need to go to my songs and then close song. Yep, and then this will be saved. Now here's the deal. Now what you have to do is you need to long press this my song, and then you need to share it. Once you can share it, you will be getting these three options, right? The song, you can convert that into song, you can still save that as a project, or you can export it as a ringtone. Now what we need to do is to export it as a ringtone. Okay, now this is the ringtone. You need to name it and then export. As you can see, the ringtone is exporting, and yeah, as you can see, ringtone has been exported successfully. Now what you can do is just go into the settings, head over to ringtones, sounds and haptic, and yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is the ringtone which has been exported, right? So that's all. So yeah, this is how you can set a custom ringtone. And as I said earlier, those people who are on iOS 12 or before iOS 12, you can comment in the comment section that you are below iOS 12 or on iOS 12. I will make another video for you guys. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and also hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss my update. And yeah, one more thing, if you guys want this video in Hindi, just comment me in the section. I will make a video. I will make the same video in Hindi. All right. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you in next one.